We are pleased to show you the 2018 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. Your new ride is just a phone call away.